What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here, and we are coming with the video today. This one has been long awaited for by the scooter folk because it's been months since I have been on my moped. Yes, literally months. I have not touched this bike since damn near February when I sold the motor off of it to do the whole two-stroke build. So today, stay tuned. I'm about to try and get this thing back.
You ever seen a chopper do some damage, niggas tripping? I ain't got they should lie, tell them you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter.
I'm still the king.
Tote that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind.
So right here, this is the Gy6 150cc. The motor is 100% bone stock, no mods that I know of so far. Only thing I've done to the motor is put a fresh entire CVT kit on it and put a brand new carburetor on it. But my issue with it is when I got it started and took it out for the test run, it did not want to run fully efficient. It's like it was missing that last little pinch of top end. And I could tell it had more to go. Usually this is the symptom of the valves being out of whack. So I'm gonna jump inside here today and take a look at these valves. And I got my adjusters here. I'm gonna see if I can't get them adjusted and hopefully get this bike running. Now y'all know me, I do the scooter thing, and this is really just a bike I was able to piece together. I saved my stunt frame with the little 12 bar on it. That was the main thing I made sure when I did the whole two-stroke build, was that I saved my stunt frame. I was not gonna let that 12 bar go. So based off the parts I had laying around from various builds I've done in the past, this is what I was able to recreate. And as I say, it just run like trash. So let's try and get these valves tuned and see if I can't get this thing going. All right, so right now we down here looking at the valve cover. There's 1, 2 down here, 3 over here, and the 4th is right there. You're gonna pop off all 4 of those 8mm. As I said, 8mm. And if you got the evap thing, since this bike is already, as I said, this isn't an original motor, I'm gonna have to tune this up. Actually, I'm gonna change the head to the 9 evap eventually. But this one here is an 8, that's a 10, mixture of bolts. Pop them all out. Once you pop out those 4 bolts, you're gonna be open to the valve train. All right, so now that I got the valve train revealed right here, you got a little circle back here, and if you peep down in there, I don't know if it's gonna focus. That T will line you up with top dead center. Another way you can tell you at top dead center is by looking at the 2 circles on the side of the cam. They gonna line up with the motor right here. See, they in line. So now what I'm about to do is slide my filler gauges in between the tappets here and the one down bottom and see if I can't get them adjusted. Main thing you're checking for with the filler gauge is a little bit of drag. Is it gonna focus? A little bit of drag right there. You don't want it to be too tight, and you also don't want it to be too loose. Like it ain't clacking around, but I'm getting some drag. Now this bottom one, for instance, let me see if I can get y'all up under here. Is that a good view? Nope, nope. Focus in, focus in. The bottom one right? Fuck it. Yeah, there we go. The bottom, I can't even get my filler gauge in there. This has probably been the issue with the whole bike right here. Like I can't even get the gauge in there. So my bottom valve been closed. I don't want to speak too soon, but this is looking pretty promising because 80% of the time I see them, it's usually like the exhaust valve. One of the other valves is stuck shut. And when that valve's stuck shut, that's when the bike run like butt. Oh shit. Hey, I caught that on camera. I ain't even try to come up with that. I caught that shit on camera. All right, I got everything all closed back up and done right. Like I said, the exhaust valve on it was shut all the way. So, bro, it wouldn't even start for me the other day. So, I feel like right now this mug gonna fire up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump it off the Del Sol right here in order to get it going. All right, y'all, so we back again. It's like day 2 with this. Man, look, players make mistakes too. My stupid ass spent all this time out here working on this bike the other night. And yeah, after I got the valves tuned, it had no spark. Yo, I done pulled this thing all the way down to the damn stator. all the way down to the stator, changed out CDI boxes and everything. And guess what the issue was? I've been riding that damn dirt bike lately, and the dirt bike don't have a slidable kill switch. The kill switch was off the whole time. So I'm about to try and get the camera set up real quick, and we're gonna see if this thing fire up. Scratch that. I know it's gonna fire up because it's the same setup I used on all of my old 150cc's. I got faith in this, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. All right, get on over here. Yeah, I know I got a shit show going on down here, y'all. But this battery shot, I mainly just use it as a jump piece. Let me get up here. That was my damn issue. This bike probably gonna... Come on now. Likely just unplug something. Yeah. Houston, we have a problem. Well, that's gonna conclude today's video, y'all. I beat the shit out the bike already, day one. It's a wiring mess, but it runs, it wheelies, and I got it tuned. Now the main thing about my tuning is I'm gonna have to go back and lighten up these roller weights. These are fresh 150cc roller weights, so they are heavy as hell. I think like, man, they almost 13 grams or something. Like, these are ridiculous. I know I ain't never ran that heavy in none of my other bikes. Also, another thing I gotta do with this moped, I gotta get this tab cut off of the swing arm right here. When I get this tab cut off, I can throw my other exhaust on, and that's gonna be a little beauty piece, clean it up. Like, I'm gonna just start cleaning up the whole bike, and eventually what's going to happen is she's gonna learn how to ride it. Don't get camera shy. But yeah, I'm gonna show her how to ride it. It's gonna be a perfect little starter bike, and then eventually, hell, who knows, she may end up hopping on the 85. Yep, so for all my scooter heads, my motor heads, you like this kind of content, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that noti bell. These videos are gonna be coming very often in between the scooter, the Roadmaster, the Del Sol back there, and you know I got the 85 I've been working on. Actually, oh man, check out episode 7. I was getting down on the wheelies with it. I'm learning, I'm teaching myself just how I taught myself with the scooter, baby steps. It's been 8 months since I wheeled a bike, man, and got back out here, and I touched that scrape bar for y'all. That deserves that subscribe. So go hit that button, stay tuned, and I will see y'all very soon. Peace out.